Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss what is difference between company and partnership. Company and partnership are two distinct terms and they are totally distinct from each other. So in this video I will discuss the major differences between company and partnership. However, before discussing the differences, let's first understand what is meaning of a company. In the legal sense, a company is an association of both natural and artificial persons incorporated under the existing law of a country. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of partnership? A partnership is a form of business where two or more people contract to do a business and they have the share ownership as well as the responsibility. Every partner manages and shares the income or losses incurred in business. Now, let's discuss the differences between them. The following table explains the major differences between company and partnership. Based on mode of creation, a company can be created by registration, whereas partnership is normally created by agreement. Based on nature, a company is a distinct legal person, whereas a partnership is not a distinct entity, rather a group of several persons who form such partnership. Based on number of members in a public company, there must not be less than 7 persons. In a private company, this number not be less than 2. Further, a new concept of one person company has been introduced which may be incorporated with only one person. In partnership, the minimum members required, that is 2, and maximum members, that is 20. Based on property, in company, property belongs to company. All the properties remain in the name of company. Whereas in partnership, the property of the firm is the property of the individuals comprising it. Based on liability, company's shareholders' liability is limited either by shares or a guarantee. Whereas in partnership, partners' liability is unlimited. Next. Based on lawsuit, the creditors of a company can proceed only against the company and not against its members. Whereas in partnership, creditors of a partnership firm are creditors of individual partners and a decree against the firm can be executed against the partners jointly and severally. Based on relations, in company, members of a company are not its agents, whereas partners are the agents of the firm. Based on property disposal, a member of a company has no power to dispose of the company's property, whereas a partner can dispose of the property and incur liabilities as long as he acts in the course of the firm's business. Based on contract provision, a member of a company can contract with his or her company, whereas in partnership, a partner cannot contract with his firm. Based on transfer of share, a company's share can ordinarily be transferred, whereas in partnership, a partner cannot transfer his share and make the transferee member of the firm without the consent of the other partners. Next. Based on future prospect, a company has perpetual succession, that is, the death or insolvency of a shareholder or all of them doesn't affect the life of the company. Whereas in partnership, no succession, as the death or insolvency of a partner dissolves the firm unless otherwise provided. Based on legal formalities, there are lots of formalities such as statutory books, audit, publication, registration, etc. Whereas in partnership, as such, no formalities required. Based on auditing, a company is required to have its accounts audited annually by a chartered accountant, whereas in partnership, the accounts of such firm are audited at the discretion of the partners. Based on dissolution, a company being a creation of law can only be dissolved as laid down by the law. Whereas in partnership, a partnership firm is the result of an agreement and can be dissolved at any time by agreement among the partners. So, this is all about the differences between a company and partnership.